This is my car. My husband bought it for me for my birthday. And that is just how dusty the car is. It was well taken care of, but it needs vacuuming. Hi, my name is Jamie. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I just got my car. I've only had it for about 2 weeks now, but it's finally nice and pretty outside, so I can get it cleaned out. The guy my husband bought it from, the clutch had went out, so we were waiting on it because he was replacing the clutch. So when I got it, I could just get in and go. And the cleaner I was using was just Spick and Span all-purpose cleaner. It kills up to like 99% of germs and bacteria. So I just sprayed that down on the door and got that wiped down and just getting it all dusted. It was in good shape. The car is well taken care of. It was just dusty from sitting because I really tried to get some good angles cleaning the car, but with it being small, I really had a hard time getting good camera angles. And my daughter Stormy was helping me on this day, just kind of hanging out with me and everything. But I was just glad that we finally had a nice day. It was about 79 on this day. It was Saturday. I was cleaning out the car and it's finally stopped raining and it warmed up, because last week it was like 30 degrees the other morning. It was entirely too cold, so it's finally warmed up and it's beautiful. So hopefully, if it doesn't rain a whole lot more, I still got like a lot of other yard videos I would really like to get done, because I want to get my back patio done. But I didn't get that part done over the weekend. This is the only thing on the to-do list that got done. But it is almost May here in Louisiana, and it rains. In the area I live in, it rains a lot in May. It just rains a lot in general, but really a lot in May. So hopefully it doesn't rain that much this year, so I can get other stuff done, because I am just tired of being cooped up in the house. So now I'm just going to move on and cleaning my windows, and I'm just using regular Windex to clean the windows, and a microfiber cloth. Sorry, y'all. So now I'm just getting the windshield cleaned so I can see out of it, because it was pretty dirty on the inside as well. And I didn't wash it. My husband had took it to one of those automatic car washes and went through that a few days ago. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and when you hit the bell notification button, it will let you know every time I upload a new video. And I hope everybody had a wonderful weekend. I hope you guys have a wonderful Tuesday and have a good rest of your week. Has been one of my dream cars. Wanted a Mustang as long as I can remember. Stick shift. And when y'all see the floor mats, just ignore those, because I am actually going to buy new floor mats because I don't like the rubber ones in this car. Didn't take long to clean it. It really wasn't dirty, it was just dusty, and it needed a good vacuuming. My car fresheners, I don't like to hang them in the window, so I will just, hang on y'all, so I can get a good angle. I will pop it kind of like up underneath the seat a little bit, like that. Those are all the wires to my speaker system in the car. It came with the car, but I'll just pop them up underneath there like that, and I will put another one on the passenger.